Welcome to the By Manufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh illustrates the benefits of combining two often separated industry elements. That's basic concrete polishing with the decorative coating flair. To begin, Josh's team uses the bare channel cutter to create a needed space for later to be installed epoxy aggregate overlay. As our industry advances in technology, it's becoming common to blend techniques and mechanics from otherwise competing processes. This video demonstrates how traditional concrete polishing not only can coexist with decorative coatings, but enhance the overall aesthetics of the project. Various pieces of equipment must be utilized to achieve the desired look. So this video exhibits a comprehensive view at the combined prep, installation, and finishing techniques required to meet the customer's expectations. The owner of this office space has grown bored with the previous exposed aggregate floor. Desiring something unique, exclusive, and expressive of his personality, the owner opted to meld various techniques that are typically offered as a singular process. The groove is filled with epoxy, which incorporates a decorative aggregate. Once cured, the overfill is removed to match the surface of the slab. To fill the unavoidable air voids in the flattening mix, a grout coat of epoxy is applied over the inlay using a brush. Next, but not shown in the video, is the subsequent polishing steps to refine the concrete. Once completed, an acid stain is applied to add color to the floor. To clean the acidic residue, the floor is neutralized and scrubbed. Again, after the subsequent polishing steps, a guard is applied on the floor and is burnished. The result is a multicolored, decorative polished concrete floor with various textures with a personalized appearance. To learn more about any of the products or processes used in today's video, please reach out to your By Manufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to select that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.